Hey everyone, this is Stephen with Our Hometown, and today we have another tutorial for you. Today's topic is going to be how to publish a photo gallery from mobile using Our Hometown's Max Galleria feature. While this may seem daunting, we'll be able to accomplish it in just a few simple steps. First, what you're going to do is click the plus icon at the top of your screen. From there, you're going to tap Gallery. Once this page loads, there will be a new window that pops up asking you what kind of gallery you would like to create. We'll select Image. You'll add a title for your gallery, then scroll down to the box that says Gallery. You may have to tap the arrow to expand this box. Select Add Images. On this new page, we'll confirm that we're under the Upload Files tab. We'll tap the button that says Select Files. The images I'm going to use are in my photo library in an album called Max Galleria Images. Once you've selected your images by tapping, select Done, and then Add to Gallery. Now the images will upload. This may take a moment depending on your device and your internet upload speeds. After everything is uploaded, don't forget to click Publish. Now we'll open a new article by tapping the hamburger menu in the top left corner of our screen and select Articles, Add New. Once we're on the page for the new article, we'll tap Max Galleria Gallery. You'll tap on the drop-down menu to open up the different gallery options you have. We'll select the breaking news image gallery that we just created. We'll tap here to insert the image gallery shortcode into our article. Once you confirm that the gallery shortcode has been added to your article, you're ready to save the article or publish it. And here we can see that our article has uploaded with an attached Max Galleria image gallery. And that's how easy it is to publish a photo gallery from your mobile device using our Max Galleria feature. If you have any questions or comments about this feature, you can feel free to email us at ops@our-hometown.com. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you next time.